Hey everybody, it's Brooke. I'm here to show you my watercolor page that I'm going to be adding to the Woodland Gnome Journal. Show you how I did it. Just watercolored both sides and added a tuck spot and just a little embellishment. And once I get it in the journal, then I'll probably add more things, pockets, whatnot, but show you how I did it. And I have Mission Gold watercolors. That's what they look like. Messy. Okay, let me sit them over here. Let me grab a brush. I'm not very prepared. Okay. Alright, and I think these colors, if I can remember, I did this several days ago. But I just spray the watercolor paper, pretty much soak it. And I'll just show you one side, and then I'll show you me tearing it up and all of that. This is like a olive green. Just paint it on. And I just kind of paint it everywhere. I'm trying to keep my videos under 15 minutes or they won't upload. Or they will, but from iMovie only lets me do it 15-minute video. Let me grab a paper towel. Alright. I don't have my water bucket down here, but it doesn't matter. Let me put me some water right here. Alright, next color, let's go with Burnt Sienna. And then after this is dry, I rip it down to the size and then ink it up. And then I'll add some embellishments to it. I love to watercolor, so much fun. All right, that's good for that color. Let's go to yellow ochre. Put some down here, over in the corners, right there. And then, after I get all this, I will spritz it again. And dry it with my heat gun, probably. So I can try to get some blooms, which are these. I like them. Most watercolor people avoid those, but I don't. Okay, and we'll put in some sepia. Kind of muddled. And I'm just going with like nature-y colors. And put some over here. Put some. Let's see. I feel like I'm missing something. Let's go with this red-brown. There we go. That's the tone I was missing. And I won't show you doing the other side. I mean, it's just repetitive. Just want to show you how I did it. All right, let's get some over here. And then a little bit right there. Okay, now I'm gonna squirt it again. Let it move. then I kind of just whir. And then the heat tool, and I will edit this portion out. I feel like the heat tool is what gives you your blooms. If you could see them. Several right through here. Okay, now I'm going to do the other side, and then I'll show you me ripping it down to size and inking a little bit, and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. This is the side that I showed you on camera. And now this is the other side that I just did. Got some really cool. Got it a little wetter this time. All right, now I'm gonna tear it down. And I want it to fit in my journal just like a regular page, so I'm gonna tear it down to 11 and fold it in half. See if I can do it this way. Sorry if my fingernails look gross. I have been working in here. Okay. Got my ruler that I got from the UK. I love it. Amazon UK. From Tracy Fox. Alright, tear it down to 5.5. Yeah, I saw it on her channel. And I was like, I want that. Ooh, that's thick. It does not have to be perfect. I almost threw that in my candle. Make a fire in here. And then this one is 8.5, just like a regular piece of paper. So, I'm gonna take off a quarter. Ooh, I probably ain't be able to do this. Taking off a quarter with thickness. Oh gosh. Need my muscles. Oh, I can't do it. I'll do it by hand. It's gonna be a rough one. Let me see if I can do this side. Oh, 8.5. At least, yeah, a little better coming from the folded edge. And I don't like those points. Tear that off. Looks pretty good. All right, let's pick out the corner pocket. Let's see, I've got these. Let me look through. These are my ephemera that I print out, and I'll show you. Like, this is how I print them out. Then I tear them up with this ruler and ink them up. Just like that. And these are all free that I got on the graphics fairy. I just looked up mushrooms and flowers. Like this one, let's see. Here's this one. Just a little bigger. You can see the difference. But I want like a tuck spot here. Too small. Oh, let's go with this one. This is a printable from Nick the Booksmith. Yeah, that'll be a good one. And I'll just sew corner there for that one. And then I want some kind of insect. Let's see, what do I got? It's kind of colorful. Kind of like the colorful one. Oh, here's a bee. What did I put in this one? A bee. Let's do something different. Dragonfly. I think I'm gonna go with the colorful butterfly. All right. So this one and this one. Get my little ephemera images over here. All right, I'm gonna ink up the edges, sew these and attach them, and I will be back. Okay, I'm back. All right, I got it all inked up. First I did the tea stain, or tea dye, and ground espresso around the edges. And I went and sewed these, and now I'm gonna attach them. Still kind of buckly, but it'll lay itself down later. And like I said in another video, I believe I said it, been storing my Fabri-Tac upside down in a cup, and it works like a charm. So if you use Fabri-Tac, try that. Get the last drop. And I don't ever cut my tails, I like them. Whoop, wasn't stuck. All right, I'm gonna put this pretty little butterfly, and I believe I got this off of Graphics Fairy as well. I'm gonna attach it all the way down. And I literally probably only have like half an inch left of this in here. Strings out. Burnish it. Make sure it's straight. There we go. There is my watercolor page. And you will see me attach it in the book. Hopefully. Well, at least get the pages together. I'm going to show y'all a video on that too. Thanks for watching.